Hello. In this video, I'd like to show you how to remove an LED lenser strap from a headlamp. In this case, I have the H7R core, and I've already got it taken apart. I'm going to show you how it goes together here, and then we'll take it apart again. So right now I have the kind of the end that starts everything free. If I want to put it back together, I just slide it in through the middle of the connector here and out, and there you have it. It's all together. Now to remove it, it's a little tougher on your hands, but you need to go ahead and just feed, go ahead and kind of scrunch up the strap a little bit, and then you need to feed that head through the center of the head strap like this. Till it comes through like that, and then pull this rest through here, and you got it. It comes apart.